Make sure to like and subscribe, and I hope you like part 3. Make sure to like and subscribe to me and Pumpkin Press. I hope you enjoy all of this, and I spent multiple, I think, hours trying to set up this idea. So, hope you love it. No, not like that actually. Not like hours like trying to help y'all get a cute house. Anyways. No. Okay. Bye. By the way, y'all, this little area right here is like the little loungy area. If y'all didn't know that, whenever I made it. But I absolutely love these 2 rooms. Anyways, guys, I gotta get to building. Ooh, I forgot about this. Get out of my way, bro. Okay. Thank y'all for sorry about that, y'all. Anyways, let's get to work. Oh, they should like this. Oh gosh. And guys, I will post a video of a Toca boca roleplay after I am done. And of course, you can do any roleplay you want with it. No. Thank you so much for all your support, y'all. Like, y'all are the best. And by the way, if I don't forget, I will be uploading a voice reveal. It's just been a little bit because me and my friend did it with her, like we did it on Adopt Me. So yeah, I hope y'all love it because like it was kind of like stressing me out because I was kind of scared. Anyways, sorry about that, y'all. I'm just a little bit talky today, huh? Get it, talky. Okay, let's move up to the upstairs. And I am so sorry about that last time. About like, you know, how it was like literally 21 minutes. Hopefully I don't get more than that on this one. I'm so sorry about that last time. I wasn't really paying attention to the time because, you know, it don't really matter whenever you're making a video. Who cares? Anyways, y'all, hope you are ready for a fantastic little ride. This is where did they put this? My goodness, y'all. Why did they forget this? Where's the ladder out, y'all? What's happening here? Like, Toca boca. What is going on? Where is your ladders at? Guess we'll just have to use this. Okay, that don't look that great, but it's as good as it's just gotta get as good as it can. Sorry, y'all. I am like so tired today. Hey, at least you're good house. That was my Nito, by the way. I would show you if I could, but I'm sure you'll see it. We'll see it in one of my videos one day. Anyways, back to this. So how about this little thing right here? I hope you'll love this, because, like, oh my gosh, if anything, I have a cute house for myself. I've never made a cute house, and that's why I take so much time, I guess, on making your house. Like, cute little houses. So, I'm so sorry, y'all. Oh my goodness. is happening in the background? It's like broskies. I don't care. That's my needle again. Don't worry. That sounded weird. I would never do that, trust me. Especially on my channel. That's so gross. Okay, this is all the stuff y'all need for this. So you go out of this, you close this, and you put that in there. That's gonna stay there. This is gonna go in here. And there. This is gonna be on the outside. And close up the drawer. Blah 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 blah. Blah blah blah. Blah 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 blah. Okay, thank you guys. I did not want you to hear that on my channel. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna have to just do a different. Oh shoot. I'm gonna have to set this for adults. Yeah. I am so sorry, kids. I did not turn this on, trust me. Kids, adults, I'm so sorry. Like, I just had this turn on and it's gonna go like, oh, we're cussing. Blah, 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 blah. Stupid crap. I'm gonna have to try. I am so sorry, y'all. Kids, adults, I am so sorry. Oh, thank you. Go away. Thank you. Oh my God. I'm just kidding. I'm not that annoying. Or maybe I am. Now and then, go. Maybe my head, my mind, crazy. My head, crazy. I'm gonna shut up now, y'all. It sounds horrible anyways. sounded stupid earlier when I went like that, like 1,000 gajillion times. Like, y'all. Okay. I still not.
Every day.
Oh! Sorry, yeah. Open up the doors. Hi, yeah. Huh.